Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down to the ringtone settings, and we can change the ringtone for the first and the second SIM card separately. So let me show you how to do it using the first one. It does not really matter because it works the same. After tapping on the specific ringtone for the SIM card, we will be transferred to this list of pre-installed ringtones. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option Add Ringtone, which means that we can enter our own files and set them as a ringtone. But let me choose something from the pre-installed ones, and if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And yes, this is how it works. So just let me volume it down. This is how it works. Just tap on the specific option and decide whether you like it or not. And let's pretend I like this option, Your Eyes, and I'd like to set them as a ringtone. So all we have to do is to just tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.